Hey guys, Dan from Trading with Dan here. Just a quick update on what we're looking at on the indicators. 10-minute chart here. We are not too far away. Looking like we might be testing this sell line. Uh, just over 8550. So the 10-minute chart is the main one that I'm short-term trading on. So I say short-term trading. This will be, if we do break this, this will be our first trade in a couple of days. So yeah, if you have a quick look over the 15-minute chart, that sell line is coming in just under 8470. So that isn't too far away from the 8550 either. So the 15 and the 10, and then if we have a quick look at the 5-minute chart, this is why I don't use the 5-minute chart. We're just getting quite a bit of chop going on that time frame. And then the 30-minute chart. I mean, obviously because we've had this strong move up, we're quite far away from the sell line. So yeah, that's sitting around just over 8,200. But those signals do come in few and far between. Although we have had, this is quite a few for us on this indicator. So we had one on the 14th, one on the 10th. Yeah, so we're getting a good few signals. These signals on the 30-minute, whilst they're not as often, don't come as often, they are often profitable trades. So yeah, incidentally, I was just looking at the daily chart as well. The daily chart, not that we really trading this, but yeah, that got you in at a buy here, a buy at 4,800. So yeah, daily chart of Bitcoin, we had this consolidation down here, down the 3 to 4,000 level, and then it got us in. Well, the break of the line was actually here. So you could have potentially bought the break at 4,200. I mean, I'm not sure. Obviously, on that big candle, that big candle that came, 1K candle, it was overnight over here in the UK. Yeah, I don't know where you would have got market filled with your buy, but you potentially have been well under the 4,800. I mean, you could be anywhere, could have been filled anywhere between 4,400 to 4,800. But yeah, you are in a good trade there. So yeah, that's the update on the what we're looking at with the DMT. I'm gonna do these updates more regularly, but like I said, when we look like we're coming close to it, possibly having a trade. So yeah, thanks for listening, guys. Any other questions? Just leave comments below. And again, disclaimer: this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just for educational purposes only. Only invest money you can afford to lose and not lose sleep over. And then yeah, thanks for listening, guys.